The VEVOR steel trailer tongue box offers a long, low-profile design that fits neatly on most trailer tongues, while still providing generous interior room for tools, straps, and small batteries. Its carbon steel construction feels solid in hand, with a coated finish that shrugs off road grime and helps resist rust over repeated seasons of towing. The overlapping lid and wide ceiling gasket do a surprisingly good job of keeping out rain and road spray, so gear stays dry even when the trailer lives outside. A gas strut holds the lid open at a comfortable angle, making it easy to load and unload without fighting a floppy or slamming top. The integrated lock mechanism, paired with the included keys, adds a useful layer of theft deterrence for anyone leaving gear on an unattended trailer or in a campground. Overall, this box delivers a practical mix of durability, weather protection, and organized storage that makes a noticeable difference in keeping a trailer set up tidy and ready to go.